I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by deciding exactly what answer you need and why it matters. Once you have intent, strip your query to 3-5 precise keywords. Prefer nouns or unique names because they narrow results. Use quotation marks for an exact phrase and a minus sign to drop irrelevant topics. This immediately trims noise. As you type, glance at Google's suggestions to refine phrasing and make sure to swap synonyms if initial results look off. Next, you add precision using operators to get deeper. For targeted sources, type cite, example, com or cite. Edu, when you need a report append file type, PDF. Combine or and parentheses to test alternatives without retyping. You can rely on implicit and for required terms. Use in title to hit page titles and in text. To search body copy, this surfaces more authoritative pages. If results still span topics, swap. Finally, you evaluate results and extract the best answers. Read snippets to check date, author, and relevance before opening links. This saves time. Use the Tools menu to filter by time range or choose verbatim search when phrasing matters. If you hit dead ends, troubleshoot by removing strict operators, broadening keywords, or swapping in synonyms. Often that one change reveals quality sources. Make sure to cross-check facts across 2 or 3 credible pages before trusting a result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.